Hey, welcome back to AP Tutorial Channel, where we dive into the latest tools and tech to help you grow your business. Today, we're taking a close look at Brevo, an email marketing software that's been making waves in the industry. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out, this tool promises to make your email campaigns more effective and easier to manage. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. In this review, we'll explore Brevo's key features, user interface, pricing, and overall performance. Plus, I'll share my personal experience and tips on how to get the most out of this platform. So, grab a cup of coffee, hit that subscribe button, and let's get started on our deep dive into Brevo. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Brevo is a French company which was established in 2012. And Brevo has more than 5 lakh active customers till now. Its interface is quite user-friendly. It is easy to use. Here you get to see the option of drag and drop. Here you will get unlimited contacts. That too for free, you will not need to pay any money. You will get to see 53 features on Brevo's free plan, which is very good. Compared to other email marketing software, no one offers something like this. Now let's talk about the features of Brevo. CRM software is not easy to understand, and Brevo is a CRM software. Because of this, Brevo found a solution to this. They prepared different platforms. For example, 5 such platforms were created, 1 for marketing, 1 for sales, 1 for conversions, and 1 for customer data. If you look at the marketing platform here, you can do email marketing, WhatsApp marketing, SMS marketing, and you can also create forms here. There are different features like these. If we talk about sales platform, then you can make phone calls here. The option of sales pipeline is also available here. There is also automation feature. You can do live chat on the conversation platform. Chat box option is also available here, and you can also do meetings and phone calls. You will get to see multiple features like universal data model, identity resolution, data prep, custom rules, scoring library, etc. on the customer data platform. You can do easy SMS integration on the messaging API. You can do inbound messaging, extended lock retention, fast setup, personalization, and you will get to see multiple features like these. The features are great, but how is the pricing? So let's talk about Brevo pricing plans. Brevo gives you 4 options on pricing. First is free, second is starter, third is business plan, and fourth is enterprise plan. If you are thinking of selecting any plan of this, then I have given a discount link in the description here, with the help of which you can get a discount. So first let's talk about the free plan. In the free plan, you get the option of 300 emails per day, where you can send 300 emails to your customers, but there is a problem in this, that the Brevo logo remains on the email, due to which your brand looks unofficial. You will also get customizable email templates here. You will also get drag and drop option here, and you can also do SMS and WhatsApp campaigns. So let's talk about starter plan, which is $9 per month. So here you will get 5,000 emails per month, and there will be no limit for sending emails. But there is the same problem in this also. So here they are telling you that you will not get to see the Brevo logo, but it is written here add-on, which means you will have to pay an extra amount to remove the logo. I have already used this plan, so as you can see here, I am being asked to pay $12 to remove the logo. So that is why I will recommend you the business plan. Let's talk about business plan, which is $18 per month. It's the best plan that I recommend to get. So here you can do marketing automation. You will get multiple user access. You can also create landing pages here. You will also get the option of A/B testing, advanced statistics, and phone support here. If you are thinking of taking a business plan, then here I will give you a coupon code with the help of which you can get a discount. But you will have to purchase only from the discount link provided by me. Only then you can get the discount. The coupon code is Entrepreneur. So, what is my opinion about Brevo? In my opinion, getting Brevo's business plan is a smart move for any business looking to elevate their email marketing strategy. The plan offers advanced automation, in-depth analytics, and robust personalization tools that can significantly enhance customer engagement and campaign performance. The investment in Brevo's business plan can lead to better targeted marketing efforts, improved ROI, and a more streamlined workflow, making it a worthwhile choice for growing businesses.